Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser, and I'm going to show you how to check your coolant level. It's going to be very easy. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1AAuto.com. Here we go. Safety glasses, hand protection. I got our little rag here just in case. This right here is your coolant overflow tank. Essentially what happens is when your coolant gets hot, fluid expands, comes up through this hose, goes into your coolant reservoir. On the coolant reservoir, there's an upper line, and then right here, there's a lower line. As long as your coolant's anywhere in between here and here, you're doing all right. If it's lower than there, well, that's pretty much empty. So you would want to add some. If you need to add any coolant to your reservoir, you would just lift this cap, just like this. Make sure you don't spill any coolant. You don't want it getting on the ground, contaminating Mother Earth. You would just add coolant right in here until it comes up just below this upper line, okay? If you get a little bit above, well, it is what it is. You should have probably went a little less, but I'm not going to get mad at you. Assuming that we filled it, we'll just close it right back up, just like that. If your coolant is low, even all the way empty, what you'd want to check is right here. This is your radiator cap. Before you open your radiator cap, you want to make sure that your radiator cap is cool to the touch. It's not hot at all, okay? You didn't just come back from the beach or anything like that, go for a nice long drive, and now you want to check your coolant. It's nice and cool. You're going to press down, turn it to the left counterclockwise, lift it up. You need to make sure you're wearing safety glasses and hand protection. This is super important. Safety first, okay? Easy peasy. Here we go. Push down, give it a twist. Watch for coolant just in case it comes out. Always lift it up and away from your face. There's our radiator cap. We sell these at 1AAuto.com, so if you need them, definitely replace it. Here's where your coolant's supposed to be. If you don't see any coolant inside your radiator, maybe it's all the way down, you can't even see where it is, you're going to want to go ahead and add to it, okay? Make sure you have a catch bucket underneath, so in case you spill any, it doesn't contaminate the ground. This looks like it's nice and full, so I'm not going to worry about it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead, line up the little tabs with the slots on the radiator. Push down, turn to the right, clean up any drips that I might have dripped, and off we go. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.